my channel. It's Farida again, and I know I'm so sorry I've not posted lately. I am so sorry. I know I've said a lot that I'll be consistent, but I promise I'll be consistent. Okay, to my old subscriber, thank you so much for still believing in me, staying true to this channel. God bless you. And to the new subscribers, I am so grateful. I see you. Thank you for still believing in me, even though I've not posted lately. Thank you so much. So today's video is highly requested. I see this question a lot, that comes up a lot when I reach out to my clients, or I talk to people that actually reach out to me either in my email, my Instagram page. Again, if you don't have my Instagram page, I'm going to post it here, so please go check it out. If you have any question, please let me know. Reach out to me and I'm more than happy to help. And once again, I just want to announce we have a new website. It's called Smart Recipe Hub. It's the website is right here. This current video, I'm going to post everything about there. It's there. It's already in the it's already on the channel, so you want to go check it out. If you don't understand, if you didn't get everything I said in this video, you can already check the website. I posted everything I said here on that channel. Okay, so let's jump into today's video. Okay, today's video is how to take care of yourself, how to take care of your skin when you're doing a laser. Now you want to watch this video to the end because there's a surprise at the end. Watch it to the very end so that you could see the surprise I'm talking about. Okay, all right, so let's jump right in. How do you take care of your skin when you're on laser treatment? It is really important to take care of your skin. I'm so sorry for the noise you get. So it is very important to take care of your skin while you're doing the picosecond laser or any laser whatsoever. You will need to take care of your skin before and even after, most importantly after the picosecond laser. So I'll be reading from my book here, so just in case I'm looking down, you know that I'm reading from here. Okay, so first I outline a few things you can do while you're the few tips for you while you're on this laser treatment recovery process stage. So number one is know your skin type. Like, it is so important. I can't emphasize how many times I've reached out to my clients, or they reach out to me and I'm like, do you know your skin type? And they're like, oh, I am some will say that they are see, the answers are really funny. So that's why it's very important. Now, I talked about skin type in this channel a lot of times. We have a dry skin type, we have oily skin type, we have a very sensitive skin type, and we have combination of both oily and dry skin type. And some people have a sensitive skin type, and also they have an oily skin type. You know, it depends on which area you fall into. So please, it is very important you know your skin type. By knowing your skin type, you can follow with the rest of this tip I'm going to, because when you know, oh, I have an oily skin type, so you have a product that suits that skin type. You would buy products that suit your skin. Do you get? I have an oily skin type, and it's really a hard time for me to get my skin product, but when I find it, I stick to it. It just works magic for me. So you really want to know your skin type. Starting from there, you'll be able to like know what to do with your skin. How do I take care of my skin? What do I put on my skin? Do you get? Know your skin type first. Number two is follow all the instruction I give you here, or follow your dermatologist instructions. You know, if you're fortunate to have a dermatologist, please after the laser surgery or the laser process treatment, make sure you follow all the instruction they tell you, because they know best. They have seen everything. They've seen cases, tons of cases, and they're able to like learn through the experience and all of that to give you best advice on what to do and what not to do. Same with me too. All the advice I've given you here, there's no phase I've not encountered. It's just like I relate. When people tell me, oh, I'm this, I'm like, I can relate to it, because number one, I have done it. I have done a picosecond laser, and I know the process where you are currently, so I can give you I can give you an advice based on the process you are and based on what I have. And usually when I give advice, I usually tell them this is based on my own, no, not yours. You get? You can do it to suit yours. Do you get? So it's very important to follow all the instructions. When we tell you don't go on this avoid the sun, please, we know what we're doing. Do you get? So please avoid the sun. So which moves to the second one: invest in a great skincare products that match with your skin type. Remember I talked about skin type, right? Investing in a great skincare that will match with your skin type is the best thing you can do for yourself. So don't ever downplay the power of skincare. Taking care of your skin, getting a good cleanser, getting a good moisturizer, a good serum, it is very important. Note this, and my dear, I can tell you, it is very important to note all of this because it will help you in a long run. If you have a great skin type, a skincare regimen that works for you, please stick with it and continue like that. I'm not saying that just because you are doing a picosecond you should change everything entirely. No, if you already have a skincare regimen that works for you, stick with it. It's just that make sure that you using something that works for you and your skin understands and vibes to. Do you get? So that's number 3 for you. Then it's very important to keep your skin hydrated during this time. Do you get? And skincare will do that for you. Good skincare, not just any skincare. Do you get? And be very careful of the kind of skincare that you put in your skin. Not just go get chemicals and begin to pour in your skin. You are currently on a laser treatment, so you want to avoid, you see all those mild skincare that has mild ingredients, those are the ones you should go for. I'm not saying you should now. That's when you start using tretinool and all those long retinol and all of that. No, for now just avoid skincare that are really harsh, but use the ones that are really mild. I hope you get that. Then number 4 is avoid sun if you must. And if you must go out, please use sun protection. Like, I can't emphasize on that enough. Use sun protection a lot because it's going to help you. The sun will just damage your skin. Do you get? It will damage your skin. And no, you've heard a lot about, use skincare, use sun protection. You use sun protection. It is very important you follow those advice because they will help you during those process. And not only sun protection, try and get hats or masks, facial masks to cover up so that place is protected from sun for the meantime, not just applying. Do you get? So that's another advice I want to give you. Invest in hats. Wear big hat, large hats, face caps, all those ones. It's very important you do that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to number 5 is avoid picking or scrubbing the area you just worked on. A lot of when people reach out to me and they be like, oh, I started using Picosecond and before you know it started getting dark. Yes, it will get dark if you're picking on the scalp, because usually when it's healing it usually itches, and if you're not careful you feel like, let me just itch that place, let me itch the place that is. If you start itching it, the scalp will start peeling off, and if it's forcefully peel, that's a dark spot already. Do you get? So that's why I always advise, just leave the area completely, allow the place to heal on its own. Even if the scalp is going to peel, let it peel on its own, not you forcefully pulling it off, scrubbing it, scratching it and all of that. It's not going to help matters here. All right. Number 6 is use only prescribed medication. Some medication may actually inhibit recovery. I can say so myself because yes, I have used some products. That's why I usually say, like, all this ampicillin, when you should just avoid it for now when you're using the lace, when you're on that treatment recovery process. Avoid it because those kind of things inhibit. I've said things, there's a video, I'm gonna put the link in here, so you should check out that video. I'm gonna put it here so you can watch it. And I talked about drugs that are not really good for recovery process, so please, you want to check those ones out. Please use use medication that are prescribed for you, not just any medication because you feel you're in discomfort or something, you just went and get it. Even supplements, know the supplements you're taking, not just any supplement you swallow. Do you get? So yes, that's number 6. Number 7 is limit your makeup usage. I know you want to cover that place up because you don't want people to see you, especially if you have a scar on your face. You don't want people to see you with that scar and begin to say, hey, what happened to you, what's wrong, all those kind of things. I have been there, I've done that. But I would advise you, please limit your makeup usage, because makeup has those ingredients in there that does more harm than good than we know. So it is very important that you should limit your makeup usage during those times. Make sure that when you allow your face to breathe, allow your skin to breathe, and water should not get to that place. You should be dry all the time. I talked about this. Oils are very important. You get now number 8 is avoid direct heat on the area. Like, don't allow heat to get to that place that is currently healing. Do you get? Avoid direct heat and allow the place to heal. Don't allow direct heat. Number 9 is invest in a good, I keep saying good, I can say good all over, good product, that is going to help with the recovery process. Now, if you need a product, I am more than happy to recommend Red Organic Skincare. That's our product, and if you need it, you can reach out to me on Red Organic Skincare at Instagram, and I will reply to you. We deliver nationwide, and I'll be more than happy to talk to you, give you advice on what to do and what our skincare entails, because I usually give my clients calls because I feel like it's very important I talk to you. Do you get? So from there you can actually get our business line where I could talk to you personally about the skincare you're buying. Do you get? We deliver nationwide, so don't worry about that. So number 10 is be patient with your journey. Be patient. Be patient with your healing journey. Be patient with your scar removal journey. Be patient with your laser treatment journey. Those I can emphasize on patient. It is very important. You're patient. If you're patient, you get that desired result that you want. Okay, I have plenty more topics that I'm going to talk about. I will be talking about is Picosecond really worth it? Those are my next topics. I don't know when I'll be posting it, but those are the topics that are in the cards for me right now that will be posted on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so that you can get information about these topics. I'll be talking about how long should I use the Picosecond for, because I get this question a lot, and I'm also going to talk about genuine advice from me whether to go on with the Picosecond or not. So yes, that's another topic that I'm going to be talking about. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do. So I said I was going to give you a surprise at the end of this video, right? Here it is. So I'll be sharing a little bit of my skincare, what I use currently that has worked for me over the years. Okay, so my number 1 will be, I use Dr. Rachel toner. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this is the toner I'm currently using. I will do an extensive skincare video on what I use in the morning and the skincare I use in the night. I will do that one of these days and I'll post it. I will just want to gather all my skincare, then I'll just show you the things I use that have worked for me over the years, and if you want to try it, please be my guest. So currently for toner I'm using Dr. Rachel, and this has worked fine for me. This is not a paid promotion, they're not paying me shishi for this, so I'm just telling you what worked for me. Yeah. So for serum, I have other serum, but this one actually works fine. This discoloration correcting serum is really good. Now if you don't have money for this, you can get Dr. Rachel vitamin C. It does magic too, so you want to get it. And for my moisturizer, I feel like Simple does the best work for me. Simple hydrating light moisturizer does great work for me, so you want to test it out. So this is it. I'll be doing, like I said before, I'll be doing an extensive video on what I use in the morning, my skincare regimen in the morning and in the night, so that you can incorporate that. So this one is quite very cheap. So it's not like it's very cheap. Of course, it's cheaper than those other this, and I just switched to this because I feel like it does the job. It moisturizes and keeps my skin hydrated. Currently I'm not wearing any makeup, as you can see. I'll be looking sweet. Yes, so that is it. Yeah, so thank you guys for staying true to this channel. God bless you. I'm so grateful, so grateful, so grateful. I promise I'm going to try to be consistent with this. Thank you and have a great day. God bless you.